Hello friends, welcome back to SRM Intraday. This is a 15 minutes chart, Bank Nifty, and today 9th August 2021. Okay, right. As we discussed in the yesterday's videos, in the sense, yesterday we already predicted this breakout. This is a flag breakout. This is actually the flag breakout, but breakout happened with very big bullish candle. We know that so many times we have discussed about these breakout candles. We cannot enter at the high of the breakout candle. Okay, it's too risky, so we should wait up to at least 50% Fibonacci, or at least from the retest of the same candle. Actually today, if you find if you verify in 5 minutes chart, 50% Fibonacci was failed, because exactly at 50% of Fibonacci, a bearish candle broke in the line. That means 50% Fibonacci line is nothing but a support line. It was broken by bearish candle. How can we enter? No entry. And second entry, as we discussed, it should be at retest level. And you see, you can please go back and check the yesterday's video. We already predicted. See, this is a video, actually YouTube video. This is for 9th August Bank Nifty prediction. We posted on Saturday, Friday evening. See, we already predicted this video. See, this is at today's breakout. This is the flag breakout we have predicted. If flag is broken, then we should enter at the retest level. It was the plan. So today I did nothing, just whatever the plan we had, I executed my plan as it is. See, this is the retest level. Actually, market reached the retest level around 140. See, this is the first candle. Very first candle is indecision candle, and then see the next 15 minutes candle. I given clear information in the last video. This line has to break with a very bullish candle. This is also called as Marubozu candle. So this candle was broken, this resistance line or flag breakout, and I have waited for the retest. See, this is the retracement level. I cannot enter here in this level because stop loss will be too long. So that here I have entered into the trade. Stop loss is around 50 points, 50 to 60 points. And see, this is a wave, pull back and come back to the starting level, means retest level after breakout of flag. Okay, so this line, see this line, you can easily understand. You have to identify this. This is acting as a strong resistance. Obviously, that resistance is the target for long entry from the support line. This is a support line, right? This is a support line because very strong bullish candle is started from this range. So that is the reason this is a support line. In 15 minutes, you can see the candle, bullish candle here. But if you go to the 5 minutes in this range, you can find multiple bullish candles. You can find the entry here. This is the best entry location. See, you should identify this on chart. That is your duty. You could able to do all these things. Then only we can enter into the trade, right? This is the stop loss and this is the target. And target is given around 155, 150 points. We can, but what I told you, better to exit within 100 to 120 points. 100 points target is more than sufficient, right? So trade is over. And coming to the tomorrow's trade plan. Yes, this is a 1 hour chart, friends. From last 3 days, we are in this particular wedge only. And see, market is consolidated within a strong support and resistance. This is a very strong resistance and this is very strong support. From last 3 trading sessions, we have talked about this key level acting as a strong support. Key level is at 35,695, exactly 694.65. Okay, right. So what should be our next plan? Okay, see, coming to this consolidation zone. Actually, this is around 400 points of consolidation zone. 400 points of consolidation zone. Within this strong resistance and support, also we can plan the trade. Between these 2 points also, this is 1 hour chart, okay? Between these 2 lines or support and resistance also we can plan the trade. But generally people think support is for buying. My dear friends, support, it doesn't mean for buying opportunity, or resistance, it doesn't mean for selling, right? So if you find any pattern here, for a long, the target should be the resistance. If you find any pattern here for a short opportunity, then the target, ultimate target is a support. The strong support and resistance, the strong support and resistance lines can be our targets while we are taking the trade. If you find any buying opportunity here, you should not take that, because the trend line, or strictly speaking, this is a resistance line. Resistance line may be or may not be broken by the candle, right? If this resistance is broken, we always enter in the retest. Immediately don't go for long. So you should maintain, you should control your emotions. This is very important point. While doing the breakout trades, you better to wait for the retracement. You know already advantage of retracement entry is best or better risk reward ratio. Right. Now, for example, actually there are no major events in the market to expect a big move. Like I cannot say immediately this resistance will be break or the support can be break by the market. We cannot say like that, because there are no big events as of now, but anything can be happened over the night. But we should be prepared with a proper planning. If market is consolidated, or if the market is in between the support and resistance, based on the standard patterns in 5 minutes, we can go for buying or selling. But you should remember the point, like support and resistance. Resistance 36,160 and support, very strong support is there at 35,394. 35,394 and the resistance is 36,161. Simply 160, 36,160. Sir, if this resistance is broken, okay, happy. If resistance is broken, we should enter in retest only. Otherwise, leave the trade. That's all. We can miss the trade, nothing will happen. Okay, right. You better to enter at the 50% Fibonacci. If you find bullish pattern, enter. Or otherwise, you just wait up to this complete retracement. Okay, right. And again, here you should find some bullish candle formation in 5 minutes, then you can enter. But be careful, my dear friends. Once if you take long here, actually here we can plan up to 330 points. 36,160 to 36,485 around 330, around 330 points. This is a very strong supply zone. Supply zone is there at 36,485. This is a supply zone. This is a supply zone. So you should, at any cost, you should exit the long position at supply zone. At any cost, you should exit the long position at supply zone. If supply zone is broken, okay, happy. Again, you can enter in the retest, but immediately before breakout, don't predict the breakout and don't enter for long, right? And if unfortunately market fall down, like if breakdown happens, very happy. If this key level is broken, this support can easily break by the market, no doubt. If this key level is there at 35,694. 35,694 is a support or key level. If this key level is broken, I am expecting market will definitely fill this gap. This is around 80 points gap. This gap is formed on August 4th, but still this gap is not filled. So market may definitely come back to fill this gap. So to fill this gap, if market is coming back, we can plan the short. And once if market fill this gap, we cannot predict whether market may bounce back or maybe consolidate or may come down. We don't know that. But if strong support is broken with a proper pattern, we can go for the selling. And the target is this gap. This gap upper line is at 35,312. 35,312 is a gap upper line. So you better to plan up to 35,312, because immediately gap may not be filled. Immediately gap may not be filled. That means market will come like this and it will try to fill the gap. After some fighting only, the market can break the upper line of this gap and it will fill the gap. By that time, market may be closed. We don't know that. Means still the market will be in between this upper and lower line of the gap. We don't know what will happen, but we are planning up to this point. And this is around 420 points, 420 points. So we can catch 420, but don't try to catch all 420 points. We need only 100 points. That's all. But market can move. We can expect the market move up to 420 points downside. And after breakout, what is our plan? There is a scope of 330 points. We don't want all 330 points. Our target is only about 100 points. So better to enter in retest. So this is a consolidation zone, 400 points. Within this zone also we can plan for the trade, and a strong resistance is there at 36,160 and support is there at 35,695. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, friends.